the 10 best places to visit in Mexico. But don't worry, Mexico is one of my favorite places to visit. I've been 4 times in the last 3 months, so I know a thing or two about this tropical paradise. Cancun is one of the most famous travel destinations in Mexico. It has amazing beaches and beautiful hotels. Whether you're looking for a luxury resort or a party experience, Cancun has what you need. You can spend a lot of money in Cancun or stick to a budget. The choice is yours. The Riviera Maya. Just south of Cancun, you'll find the Riviera Maya, a stretch of the Caribbean coastline in Yucatan. While most tourists end up in Cancun, not as many visit the Riviera Maya, allowing you less restricted access to its pristine beaches. There are several popular resort towns in the Riviera Maya. Among them are Tulum and Playa del Carmen. So, which one of the 3 should you choose? Cancun, Tulum, or Playa del Carmen? Baja California. Baja California is a Mexican state situated right under California. Crossing the border from San Diego to Tijuana is a quick and easy process. You can drive over or cross by foot. Instead of spending a lot of time in the border town of Tijuana, head further south to the port city of Ensenada, where you'll find delicious food options, a quaint center, and nature hikes. Mexico City, or CDMX, is simply a gateway to the rest of Mexico. It's a massive city, with traffic, congestion, pollution, and even crime. Nevertheless, CDMX has a lot to offer. It is the capital of Mexico, and it offers culinary delights in its upscale restaurants and famous street food tacos for around $1 each. There are plenty of museums in the capital, such as the Frida Kahlo Museum and the Leon Trotsky Museum. San Juan Teotihuacan, the pyramids. San Juan Teotihuacan includes the Pyramid of the Sun and the Pyramid of the Moon, but it's not limited to them. It's a massive archaeological complex left over from pre-Hispanic civilization. The Mayan ruins. If you're a history buff, a visit to some Mayan ruins in addition to Teotihuacan is a must-do. There are many Mayan ruins all over Mexico, as the Mesoamerican civilization stretched across much of the region. The magical towns, pueblos mágicos. Scattered around Mexico are the so-called pueblos mágicos, or magical towns. These picturesque villages have an enchanted feel to them, a relaxed vibe and lovely architecture. San Miguel de Allende. Another charming town located just 150 miles from Mexico City is San Miguel de Allende. Founded by a monk, the town still does not have any traffic lights, allowing you to get a feel for the real Mexico. Oaxaca. Oaxaca, the capital of Oaxaca State, is a quiet city with plenty of appealing bars, restaurants, and lively markets. Its colorful buildings and one-way cobblestone streets may make you want to stay forever. Located only a few hours by car from Oaxaca, Puerto Vallarta couldn't be any more different. Instead of being surrounded by mountains, you'll be able to appreciate the ocean air and take walks on the beach at sunset.